Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2013 Hyundai Elantra GLS 4-door sedan. These are great vehicles. These are like Honda Civics, Toyota Corollas, but in Hyundai's version. Got great reliability, easy to maintain, easy to service. Very, very well-known cars. We love these because they get excellent fuel economy, and again, their reliability is really nice. It comes with a 1.8 four-cylinder engine. If you are a prospective buyer, we are going to change out these headlights because these ones are a little hazy, couldn't get them up, so those will be changed. And then tires are all Goodyear assurance, look great all the way around, plenty of tread life left. This is a turnkey, ready to go ride and drive car. 2 previous owners, no reported accidents, Carfax certified. Comes with power windows, locks, mirrors, and alloy wheels. Also has all the factory floor mats throughout, and then we get a nice clean gray interior, smoke and pet free. And then it has a center console fold down armrest. It also has a couple of cup holders in there. Just trying to get the seat belt in there. But looks really good. Just one ding there at that front part of the door, but small ding. And then some paint fade light here on the rear bumper. Comes with trunk mat. Nice car all the way around. Factory mud guards, plenty of dealer history service, so a well-maintained vehicle. And then here's our power windows, locks, mirrors, side impact airbags, active eco mode. Also get Bluetooth connectivity, multi-function steering wheel for cruise control, and headlight switch, interval front wipers, no warning lights on the dash. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, and then a nice sounding stereo system. And then we get our factory owner's manual. Also get auxiliary connectivity, USB, and then dual cup holders. Up top we get sunglass storage, map lighting, and then we get dual illuminated vanity mirrors. Just have to actuate them with the switch. But everything all good. Windshield's crack and chip free. It's the original Hyundai windshield. The only warning light was fuel, so that just popped on. But that's easily remedied with a tank of gas, which you would receive if you do purchase a vehicle. So if you're looking for a nice, reliable, get around town vehicle, low maintenance, excellent fuel economy, look no further than this nice, beautiful, accident-free 2013 Hyundai Elantra GLS sedan. You can find this one exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.